Hi, welcome to Sonny's Car Wash Factory. I'm Brad Sorensen. One question I hear a lot is, where should I build a car wash? The first thing you need to consider is you want to be where all the people are. Just like in the real estate business, location, location, location. Where we find our most successful car wash operators is near retail, big box retail, grocery stores. That's where you're going to have your highest local traffic counts. So these are the first places that you want to identify. The second thing we're going to look at is going to be the demographics of the area. You have to make sure that you have plenty of rooftops, plenty of people in an area, as well as good market share. So we're going to look at a 1, 3, 5 mile radius, typically, depending on population density. The other thing we're looking at is the 7-minute drive time. This is where we find your typical customer comes from, is a 3-mile radius or a 7-minute drive time. So once we nail down all the numbers and figure out that there is opportunity in this area, the next thing we want to find is there room for a car wash? So we're going to identify all your competition. We want to identify what type of competition it is too. So once we figure out where the competition is, what the market share is, if there's room, then we want to make sure that the land can be zoned or special exemption permitted for a car wash. From there, if it looks like it has potential, we then want to see if it financially makes sense. So we're going to populate specifically to that site a pro forma that gives us a 5-year projection very conservatively to see if the ROI makes sense for a car wash in that spot. And there you have it. When you're looking for where to build a car wash, this is how we do it. Thanks for watching. For more frequently asked car wash operation questions, visit us at www.sonnysdirect.com/FAQ.